Hello children and welcome to class 2. Today I'll be teaching you all general knowledge. And this is your general knowledge book. Before starting our topic, can you all tell me children, what is the name of our country? Yes, the name of our country is India. And who is the Prime Minister of our country? Yes, he is Mr. Narendra Modi. And who is the President of our country? Yes, he is Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. So our first topic is knowing India. Children, India is the second most populated country in the world. People in India follow different religions and speak different languages, thus making India a diverse country. Let us see some questions related to the topic. Who is known as the father of our nation? Do you all know? Yes, he is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or you can say Gandhiji. And what is the currency of India? Yes, it is rupee. Before proceeding to our next topic, children, what do you mean by a farm? It is an area of land with fields and buildings that is used for growing crops and keeping animals. So our next topic is on the farm. Let us solve one word game related to the topic. This is a place where a farmer lives and he lives in a farmhouse. F A R M H O U S and E. This is a place from where farmers take out water for their crops, and the answer is well. This is the name for a group of dogs, and the answer is pack. P A C K. These animals give us eggs, and the answer is chicken. C H I C K E N. This is made to scare birds away from the field, and the answer is scarecrow. S C A R E C R O W. Before proceeding to our next topic, children, when do we celebrate Independence Day? Yes, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. And in which year India got freedom from Britishers? Yes, in 1947. Do you all know children that how we got our independence? So our next topic is national leaders of India. Indians were ruled by the Britishers from 1757 to 1947. At that time, large number of people joined the movements started by Mahatma Gandhi, and many other national leaders too joined the movement. Some of them were Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, B.R. Ambedkar, and many more. Before proceeding to our last topic, children, Have you all ever been to the zoo? I suppose yes. When you all go to the zoo, you see different animals. Can you name some animals? Yes, they are lion, tiger, snake, peacock and many more. So, each animal is different from each other. They have different characteristics and features. So, our next topic is awesome animals. Like for example, penguins have webbed feet which help them to swim. Giraffes have long necks which help them to eat from tall trees. Meerkats can stand erect on their hind legs and watch for enemies. So children, what we all studied today? We'll quickly recapitulate all the topics. First one was knowing India. Second one was on the farm. Third one was national leaders of India. And fourth one was awesome animals. Children, related to these, worksheets will be uploaded on school website. Kindly go through it. Thank you.